everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are an avid reader using an iPhone, you are in for a real treat today. In this video, I'm going to show you how to view and organize your library like a total pro. So, let's dive right in and get started. First off, go ahead and launch the Books app on your iPhone. Now navigate to your library. After that, tap on the three-dot icon in the upper right corner of the screen. This will bring up a menu for you. If you prefer seeing your books in a list format instead of a grid, just tap on List. Now your library layout will change to a list view. Next, tap on the three-dot icon again. Then choose how you would like to sort your books. You can select Recent to have your most recently read books displayed first. Alternatively, you can sort the books by title or author, arranging them alphabetically based on your preference. You also have the option to remove books if you want. For that, tap on the three-dot icon below the book you wish to remove. Next, tap on Remove from the pop-up menu. After that, hit Remove Download. This will remove the book from your device. Now tap on the three-dot icon once more. Then tap on Remove again. After that, just tap on Hide Book. And voila, it will be gone from your library. So that's it, folks. That's how you can view and organize your library in the Books app on your iPhone. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more helpful tips, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye for now.